Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back on the preloaded watch faces, particularly the available watch faces for the Realme Watch 5. On this video, we are going to explore the dynamic watch faces or the functional watch faces, meaning we'll explore the watch face with this functionality, somewhat like a shortcut icon to the different features of the wearable. So we'll add more. I will show you the available watch faces with this functionality for the Realme Watch 5. So if you are interested to see additional dynamic or functional watch faces for the Realme Watch 5, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's proceed with a review of the dynamic watch faces. One of the best feature of the Realme Watch 5 is the dynamic watch face. So this one, we do have an option to change the icon here or the function. You can change to exercise, so it is weather. Let's change it to calories. This one, from compass, you can change it to weather, then tap on it. So when you select this one, it will lead you to the function, okay, or the feature. So this one, so this is calories, so it will not there's no shortcut for that. This one, we have the weather. This one, we do have the daily activity tracking. Other watch faces do have this option. This one, there's the settings also. You can change it. So instead of compass, you can change it to timer. So let's see. Okay, as you can see here, this one. So there's no okay weather report. Okay, only two watch faces do have an option to change the function here, okay, or the icon or the shortcut. We still have additional dynamic watch faces here, but there's no option to change it, to change the shortcut. It's all fixed. We have, at least by checking on the available watch faces in the support app, we have at least 4 so far. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one, I'm going to show it to you. I think it's available here in the watch face section. So we have here the Realme link. If we're going to go to the face gallery, I think it is available in the functional watch faces. If not, maybe in the functional dial. Let's check. So that one, we have this. Let's see, where's that located? Go back. We have the dynamic. Let's see. We have it here. I think it's in the dynamic section. Other options here, for example, we do have this one. It is in the functional dial. If you're going to check all the downloaded watch faces, it's available here in the My Faces section. So we have here the Space Sleep, thousands of functional dial, and meta art. Okay, for the space, so this one, it works, music control. So this one, it is fixed. We have the Bluetooth call support. Okay, that's it. Only 2 icons here do have a shortcut for the feature. For example, with this one, the thousands, we have here the sleep monitoring, the weather, let's see, and the heart rate. Only 3 functions or icons. Again, the sleep, the weather report, and the heart rate. The other one, we have the functional dial here. We have the Bluetooth call and the sports. Okay, that's it. The other one, we have Meta Art. We have the sports functions. This one, it's not working. This one and this one, there's no shortcut. Only the step monitoring or the sports. Okay, checking here, I did not explore other functions here. Maybe there are newly added watch faces with the dynamic option or shortcut icon. Okay, I tried this one but it's not working. Seems like it's also a dynamic watch face, but I cannot download it as it shows an error. This one. Okay, so far all of the watch faces here is all fixed or just static. There's no dynamic option. Okay, so that's it for the list of dynamic watch faces for the Realme Watch 5. A very cool feature that is available in the Watch 5 smartwatch. Okay, it is not just plain watch face. There's also a shortcut icon for the features in the wearable. If you have any questions regarding this demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe.